Hey everybody, I'm Dave. I got a Milwaukee PACKOUT tool cart, and the only problem is the wheels on this thing suck. They're like, as soon as you get the cart all set up and loaded up, it's too heavy to roll around, even on really smooth, flat surfaces. So went to Home Depot and bought some different wheels. Okay, digging these wheels. I can already tell that they roll better. So here's my PACKOUT, and these are the wheels that are kind of janky. They're like hard plastic. They're pretty cheap. So I bought these casters from Home Depot, and I had a buddy who just put a bolt through here and then mounted this thing, you know, threaded the bolt through there. But I thought that was a lot of work. Obviously that'll work good, but I thought I could just take a wheel out and shove this wheel in there. So that's what I'm doing, is just taking the wheel out, and this fits in here pretty good. I had to open that a bit, but I'm just going to try to do it that way. The wheel doesn't spin as good as it does, or as freely as it does on this caster, but that might not be a bad thing. I don't necessarily need my tool cart rolling down the hill, rolling away. So I'm going to see how it goes. Swap all those wheels out. All right, these look a lot better. They seem to spin. I had to wedge this wheel down in here because this is just a little too tight. And this bolt is from the original wheels, because the new one, where's it at? These ones are too thick. Now, I probably could just drill that hole bigger and accommodate it, but this seems to work okay. This is the wheel from the Home Depot. That's what this sucker looks like right there. So we'll see if it works any better. Okay, this sucker's a lot nicer. I like the red wheels, matches the box. I can already tell that this thing rolls good here on this asphalt. Now the old wheels, check it out, going up over this hill. So the old wheels, even though, see how that wants to tip? So the old wheels did that like on everything. Obviously I got a line here, and obviously if I pull that friggin' handle, my box is gonna tip, but you know, rolling over things like this crack, well, I guess that don't work. But still much more stable. Okay, these wheels are a lot better. I can tell the ones that Milwaukee sells you with the bottom, you know, like the bottom thing right there. They're cheap, they're plastic. These are like pretty hard wheels. I guess they do have rubber around them, but it's, I mean, it might as well be plastic because it's really tough. Where these red ones are pretty big rubber wheels. So I like these a lot better. So if you get a Milwaukee PACKOUT, I suggest you make a switch. I think these casters were 15 bucks, so it cost me $60 to have a good rolling box. So I'm gonna load this sucker down with my PDR tools and see how she rolls with a full load on her, you know what I'm saying?